Want to make your videos look more dynamic with a cool 3D zoom effect? In this video, I'll show you how to add the 3D Zoom Pro effect to your clip in just a few simple steps. First, add your photo or video clip to the timeline and make sure it's selected. Next, open the Effects tab and choose Video Effects. This is where you'll find a variety of effects you can use to enhance your project. Now scroll through the available categories and select Motion. Inside the Motion section, look for the effect called 3D Zoom Pro. Before applying it, you can preview the effect to see how it will look on your clip. Once you're ready, simply tap on the effect to apply it. Depending on the length of your clip and your device, it may take a few moments for the effect to process. Just wait until the progress reaches 100%. When the effect has finished applying, play back your video to preview the result. You'll notice a smooth zoom movement that adds more depth and motion to your footage. If you'd like, you can also try different zoom effects from the motion category and compare them to find the style that fits your project best.